Hey everyone, it's Dale and I wanted to make a little training video on how to get the most out of the events in the group. So if you're running an event, whether you are a Costa Women group host or whether you're running your own event somewhere else, so some kind of retreat or workshop or class, then you can come into here and use the events tab to set your event up. So very, very simply, I'm going to pick on an event that's already been created. So in this instance, what we'll do is we'll have a look at Inma's launch event, which is in Huacalavera. So you need an image, and then if I go to the edit button, you will be able to see that you can change where the image is set, you can change the title, where it's going to be held, the start and end date and any times, any content that you want to write. And then I always add different people as co-hosts. And it really is as simple as that. Now let's just talk a little bit about creating the image that goes here. So I use something called Canva. You can see that name up there, canva.com. And this is what I did for our 27th event where we're supporting the Amethyst Dog Rescue in Spain. And it literally is that you choose, let's go back to the top, you choose what you want. So in this case, it will be an event header. I'm not going to go through the whole lot, but you'll look for something like that, like the Facebook event header. It's fairly straightforward. I did this based on a template. You can see the templates here. I've got images over that side, and then I can add in the text that I want. And then when I'm finished, I go to download, and then I can then upload that into my event. So image you can do in Canva. There is some fabulous places to get some free images. One of the ones I'll just show you, one of the places I use is Unsplash, which is free. And literally, so if I was looking for something to do with, say, writing, well, that's brilliant, it's come up with nothing. Hang on. Oh, there we are. Finally it works. So you can see there's lots and lots of images, and I can download those images. And the other place I get images is Pixabay, and again, they're free. So again, you can do a search and use those images. So don't be worrying about where you're going to get an image from unless you've taken a photograph of the event that you're promoting. So use Canva to do your images. Absolutely fabulous. So you create your event within the group. Now what Facebook does, it will only invite the people in the group with whom you are friends. So if you're running an event, what you might want to do is ask other people, perhaps make them co-hosts, to come in and add or tag people into your event. So there's the invite button, so you can go in and you can invite whomever, and obviously only invite those people that you know will be able to get to your event. Inviting someone who is part of the group but still lives in the UK, it's not going to work. And the other way to invite people is, as Jules has done here, by tagging Gemma, which is brilliant. Yeah. So that's one way of creating your event and tagging and inviting people within our group. Now the other thing that I then do is that I will go to the main Facebook events tab, and I will create the same event. I just copy and paste everything, but I put the word public at the end. Now this means, so like I say, it's absolutely identical, but this now means that when I come to the share button, I can invite friends who are not in the Costa Women group. I can share in Messenger, so I can send a private message to somebody, and I can share in my news feed. So what I tend to do is create a private Costa Women event and a public one with the word public at the end, so that I know it is a different event. I'll invite people. I will share it in my news feed. I'll share it into groups and into different Facebook pages, wherever I think that it's relevant. Now, the other thing, if you are in fact, whether you're a Costa Women host or not, the other great place to add your event is to put it on the Costa Women website. Now, if you haven't joined, we've now got over 6,000 members, and you can see you can add your blogs, events, you can put your business in, classifieds, there's a forum, you can create your own group, you can connect to different members. It really is a great place to extend your reach and to make new friends, you know, share your business or any kind of social things that are going on. So here's one that I did. Here's one I did earlier in true Blue Peter style. So this is the event that we are supporting, the Amethyst Dog Rescue, which is a charity benefit lunch, and it's on October the 27th. So dead easy. You go along to the events tab. I'm going to do edit. I don't want to do that. I meant to do edit the event. It would help if I read the screen. So same thing. Give it a title, give it a description, say when it starts and finishes, who the hosts are, where it's being held, choose an image, say what kind of event it is, and then save changes. And then that will be available for anyone who's on the Costa Women website to be able to see what's going on. So that's that one. Now, what I would ask is, you know, when anybody sets up an event, then share it within your network, share it in your news feed, invite people that you would think would be relevant, because I think, you know, this is all about us supporting each other. Now, hopefully that very, very short video has helped you to understand how to use events. And I really would encourage you that if you've got anything going on, please come into the group and add it as an event. Thank you.